Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Bayelsans, behold your governor, Senator Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Vote for Diri as governor of Bayelsa State. Vote PDP. Senator Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.
One good term deserves a second term in office. This was the mantra of supporters and loyalists of Governor Diri as he went to campaign recently in Sagbama and Kolokuma, Opokuma local government areas of Bayelsa State ahead of the November 11, 2023 governorship election in the state.
Everywhere he went to campaign in Kolokuma, Opokuma local government area of Bayelsa State, Governor Diri and his team got a rousing reception. The groundswell of support for Governor Diri's re-election bid is informed by the many life-transforming projects undertaken by his prosperity government, one of which is a 33 kVA overhead transmission line and substation at Trofani, which he personally commissioned when he went to campaign in the community.
To the use of our people here in Trofani and humanity, and to the glory of God, I again re-inaugurate this electricity revamped.
For giving them a new deal in governance, the people of Trofani vowed to vote massively for him in the November 11 governorship election.
Trofani has been off the national grid for over 12 years. But as I talk to you, the governor has reconnected this the community back to the national grid. Then also there's a 100 meters road done by the governor linking Trofani to a community called Ekorokore. I know on the 11th of November 2023, the people of this community, my people, will surely show by way of their PVC to say that Governor Diri, Lawrence Ojapo, you are good to go for a second tenure.
And besides that, this is the first time in the history of this government that Trofani has benefited in terms of political appointment. We had so much from Trofani.
While addressing his supporters, the governor said he was expecting nothing short of landslide victory in Kolokuma, Opokuma, and other local government areas of Bayelsa State.
Trofani is a PDP community. Yes! And we know that come November 11, Trofani will deliver 100%.
In most of the communities where he went to campaign, Governor Diri commissioned a handful of projects, including a science and technical college at Sagbama, which is fully equipped and ready for use. The governor also commissioned the Odoni Link Road in Sagbama, where a member of the Bayelsa State House of Assembly representing Sagbama Constituency 3, Honorable Ebizi Indiomu Brown, affirmed that he had set a new record in infrastructure development.
There are 5 roads that the government has accomplished here in the last 4 years or 3.5 years, I would say. So Odoni community is very happy for him, and I can assure you that come November 11th, Odoni community will be delivering fully for the People's Democratic Party.
In Ogobiri and Odoni communities, Governor Diri's campaign was like a carnival as his supporters turned out in their numbers to welcome him. In Sagbama Constituency 3, the governor, upon receiving a security report of an attempt to disorganize his campaign rallies, advised his opponents to shun electoral violence and test their popularity at the polls.
We don't go and buy these people. We don't buy them. The people are here because they love their states. So I advise that let us play by the rules.
For his teeming supporters, Governor Diri has so far justified the trust reposed in him and therefore deserves all the support he can get to make his re-election bid pull through come November 11, 2023.
We have decided to follow Diri, no turning back, no turning back.
Bayelsans, behold your governor, Senator Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Vote for Diri as governor of Bayelsa State. Vote PDP. Senator Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.
Inside the Niger Delta,